Hello, hello. So today we are going to watch Quick LLM. It is an easy LLM fine-tuning library in Python. So you can get it over here. This is the latest version currently on 2nd August. So it is 0.1.0. So you can install Quick LLM by clicking install Quick LLM. So what this library offers is that it is a Python package which allows you to fine-tune popular AI models, which we all guys usually do. So fine-tune popular AI models, which is pretty hassle-free. So uh, what we can do in this library that it gives us we can optimize the LLM for chat, code generation, and domain-specific conversations from the like you can see this by giving chat code and chat specific arguments. So QuickLLM, you can see like that we are just fine tuning GPT-2 here in and we can give the text file only in till now, but soon you will get like we can give text PDF data, CSV data, and other kinds of data to fine tune the element. And here you have to give an output directory where you want your fine-tune models to be saved. So and you can see you can fine-tune the AI model by just one line of code, and this is awesome to do. And like if you are fine-tuning an LLM for that, and we are going to do that today. And these are the supported models in QuickLLM. Uh, there are currently 22, but soon we will increase more. And also quick LLM gives you a visualize that how what is the model architecture and the training layers and other things. And also it supports a GUI chat interface. It means we can interact with the model and have the chat history with the fine-tuned model, and it's all saved in the output directory. But you can also have a terminal chat interface like that. So let's have a tutorial how we can run this quick LLM. So first you have to go and run the pip install quick LLM. So I have already downloaded the latest version, you can see. And then you can give that from QuickLLM import this QuickLLM, and then QuickLLM underscore LLM. We are making an object. So this is what we define our model. So we are using GPT-2 medium. So the model safe tensors are about 1.5 gigabytes, and input file is our train.txt, which I haven't uploaded in my environment. So you can see like it have data, like it's not that big data. It is 4.4 MB. So I guess, and we are using our objective as chat. You can also write code or specific chat and the output directory. So I have run the code. So here you can see the output directory have checkpoints. So I saved the checkpoint and fine-tune model. Here are the all files like your tokenizer, the safe tensors, and the tensor map, and these are the logs. But the main thing we are interested in that we are going to chat with it, and you can also visualize it, but visualization takes some time. So you can see like it takes some time because the model have too many layers. So yeah, you can see this is the architecture of a model, and if we refresh here, so we can get model parameters. I guess it's pretty dirty, but yes, we are getting the parameter sizes of the model. So there are a lot of parameters in GPT-2 medium also. So these are all the parameters and the number of parameters mentioned here. So we are visualizing the whole model here, and these are the attention heads. So this is the attention heads distribution. So it will take some time, so I am interrupting because we are visualizing. It will make a graph also. So then I would like to just so we cannot use the GUI in the collab environment, but we can use. I guess it's not working, but yeah, we can run this code and you can ask it everything about the file and anything. So what the main purpose of it is that you can just fine tune any model just pretty easily. You can just change the text file name and output directory and just write the objective chat and you can get your fine tuning model. I guess because it is too easy, so we can run that and you can also have as many arguments. So we will add more arguments, but these arguments are, and this will also run the GUI, but it is using the PyQt5, so it will run that, so we can have a interface for it. So yes, QuickLLM is just that, and we can start using it.